Welcome to Media Corner. This is a walkthrough of our new RSS Newsfeed Templates. Let's get started by logging into ScreenScape by going to ScreenScape.com. Okay, it's time to locate the RSS Newsfeed Templates now. Let's click on the yellow plus button here to bring up the template drawer. And there's 3 of them: World Newsfeed, Blog Newsfeed, and Sports Newsfeed. I'm going to open up World Newsfeed and give you a little walkthrough on how this all works here. Alright, so the media item is displayed on the left, and the layers of the media item are displayed on the right, and that is where you make your changes. So if I wanted to change out the background image, I would just go to the layer here and go to the drop down and go to change image, and I could select an image from my image library. That's all I would really adjust, since the text is all perfectly formatted for the length of news feeds. So let's go up here to this drop down on the newsfeed app icon. Let's go to edit settings here. Let's just go through these settings. So the first one here is where you would choose your feed. So we have a number of different feeds that you can choose from, different news feeds. You can also add your own by going up to custom RSS right here and just entering the URL right here. And if I want to switch back, it's super easy. Just go back to the drop down here and choose a different feed. Okay, so number of items will be the number of news items that are displayed per media item in the playlist. And below it here, item duration, that'll be the length of each news item. I would recommend somewhere between 10 to 20 seconds. Alright, right here we can go to newest first, oldest first, or random. So that's pretty self-explanatory. And item age here will show the item based on how old it is. So last 3 days, last 7 days, today, yesterday, that sort of thing. So if you want breaking news, be sure to set it to today. I hope this helps. If you have any questions regarding these templates, my name is Aiden. You can message me anytime you want at mediacorner@screenscape.com. Have an awesome day. Bye.